Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by securing power and network. This prevents interruptions during updates. Once plugged in, check disk space and battery level because large feature updates need free space. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates and let Windows scan. While it scans, make sure any unsaved work is closed. If update downloads, allow it to complete. Do not force shutdown. These initial steps start the process safely and reduce update failures later. Once updates are detected, watch the download and installation stages. You can pause or schedule restarts to avoid work disruption. Make sure to run Lenovo Vantage. This tool supplies firmware, BIOS, and driver packages tailored to your model, which often resolve post-update issues. If a driver shows a warning, open Device Manager to update or roll back that driver. Doing vendor-level maintenance in parallel with Windows Update prevents incompatibilities and ensures device-specific components like touchpad, camera, and power management update correctly. After installation, restart and let Windows complete setup. Expect several automatic reboots for major updates. Once back, verify update history in Windows Update and test key hardware functions, audio, Wi-Fi, camera. If something breaks, run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter first. It automatically fixes common issues. If that fails, uninstall the offending update, use System Restore to return to the previous state, or boot into safe mode for driver fixes. Always document error codes, and, if needed, contact Lenovo support with model and update details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.